Friends, welcome to my channel. So let's start remaining questions of our PSC Assistant Professor exam. We will start. We have finished question 100. So let's start. Methods in Social Research book is written by Selitz and Jehoda, Good and Hart, Stephen and Philip, Sonner and Fredel. So correct answer of this question will be Good and Hart. Who has developed the concept of global village? Marshall McLuhan, Peter Worsley, Cohen, Landis. Correct answer of this question will be Marshall McLuhan. So what is the concept of global village? Global village is considered the in postmodern era the distance between it is not related like a village. It is a metaphor used for the 21st century for compressing society. Like if anything happen in one part of the world, it is spread another parts of world. People are can capable to knowing what is happening in any corner of the world. So knowledge is spreading, and that is how, like in village community, everyone is interacted and everyone is connected by uh, uh, everyone. So global village is also saying in this context. I hope you all understand. Question number 102 is asking, the concept of Sanskritization is propounded by S.C. Dubey, D.P. Mukherjee, G.S. Ghurye, M.N. Srinivas. So correct answer will be M.N. Srinivas. Sanskritization is a process in which a lower community people are following the habits of food or clothing of a upper caste person, or Dvija caste. Dvija caste is the upper three varnas like Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and lower class people following their behavior. They want to try their mobility in caste hierarchy, although it is not led vertical. It is not the structural mobility. It is considered cultural mobility. So M.N. Srinivas was the greatest sociology in India after G.S. Ghurye, and he led the foundation of field work. Like before M.N. Srinivas, there were sociologists G.S. Ghurye and D.P. Mukherjee, if I'm not wrong. So they try to gather knowledge in the textual method. So M.N. Srinivas break this chain, and he said that if structural functionalists should no, his sentence was a sociologist should gather information from the field, and that's why M.N. Srinivas was great follower of structural functionality, and he did a lot of work in villages and communities. Like he lived in a village Rampura, and he wrote a book called The Remembered Village, and he also wrote a book like Religion and Society among the cooks of marriage and religion in society amongst the cooks of South India. So he had a lot of work in village community and led the foundation of field work. So question number 103 asking, who among the following is not regarded as a postmodernist thinker? J. Alexander, J. Derrida, Jameson, J.F. Lyotard. So as you know, Jacques Derrida, Jameson, J.F. Lyotard is related from postmodernist thinker, while J. Alexander is a uh, cultural Marxist thinker. So he is not postmodernist. Question number 104 is asking, how are students performing relative to what they are capable of doing? Is representative of ability referenced, growth referenced, norm referenced, criteria referenced. So it is much related question about teaching methodology. So in this question asking is that a student perform relative to what they are capable of doing. So in this uh, in this question, it is correct answer will be no criterion reference and norm reference. So here will be criterion referenced. I will be clarify of this question in next video. Although I have asked to clarify some of the question while I have remained not clear, so I will clarify both in next video. Sure. What can a student do and not do is representation of ability reference, growth reference, norm reference, criterion reference. Options are the same, the question is different. What can student do and not do? So here it is asking about ability referenced. Question number 106. Which one of the following is not a component of the assessment framework? Purpose, specifications, validity, system. So it is purpose is the component of assessment. Validity, system is something like odd in this question. So our answer will be system. I will clarify of this question also in further videos. Learner's self-concept moves from being dependent to increasing level of self-directness is an assumption of pedagogy, andragogy, models of teaching, levels of teaching. This will be pedagogy. Question number 108. So can we move to the question of sociology? It is for related from the teaching, and I am not much confidence of teaching methodology. So why not we move to the question of sociology? So let's start. Okay, so there are many questions of paper 1 which we learn in UGC NET sociology, and that is how we have also faced this question also. So we have to prepare for paper 1 like teaching, ICT, and question. Theory of cybernetics is related to motivation, learning, feedback, attention. So it is related from ICT, and cybernetics is theory is also used by Parsons in sociology. So here if I'm not wrong, so I will go option number 3, feedback. Question number, so we have to focus on sociology's questions. The continent where sociology first developed is Australia, Europe, Asia, America. So as we know, sociology was first developed in France, but a question here asking is continent. So it was developed in Europe. Who is founder of sociology? Very easy question. It is option number 2, Auguste Comte. According to Bierstein, which one is not the characteristics of sociology? It is a pure science, it is an applied science, it is an abstract science, it is an empirical science. So it is a pure science is our answer. The formal teaching of sociology began in India. So it was begun in 1919 in Bombay University in the head of Patrick Gates. After Patrick Gates in 1924, G.S. Ghurye was headed the sociology department in Mumbai University. Question number 138 is asking, who said science goes with the method and not with the subject matter? McIver and Page, Bogardus, Kimball Young, Stuart Chase. I will let you know answer of this question in next video. Who said sociology is the scientific study of social life? Simmel, Ogburn, Sorokin, McIver, Page. So answer of this question should be Simmel, as far as I know. Sociology was established as an independent discipline in 1830, 1838, 1967, 1938. It was established as an independent discipline in 1838 by Auguste Comte. Which thinker among the following is related with synthetic school of sociology? T.B. Baltimore, Max Weber, Parsons, Sorokin. So Sorokin was related to synthetic school of sociology. So there are two types of school in sociology. One is synthetic and another is formal school. Formal school sociology are propounded by Max Weber, George Simmel. Propounded by first was George Simmel and their follower Max Weber, Kant, von Weiss, and the synthetic school of sociology is led by Durkheim, Hobhouse, Sorokin. So, synthetic school of sociology considers sociology as the mixture of many disciplines, while formal sociology, school of sociology thinkers said that sociology is a distinct subject and it is treated like a special subject. So we should not mix it with another discipline of any discipline of social subject. Question number 142 is asking which thinker suggested the word ethology in place of sociology? John Stuart Mill, Baltimore, Odma, Lester Ward. So correct answer will be here John Stuart Mill. Question number 143 is asking which of the following is not a key factor in the origin of sociology? Industrial Revolution, the Enlightenment, globalization, and French Revolution. So, as we know, the in timeline period, Industrial Revolution, the Enlightenment, French Revolution, it comes earlier than globalization. Globalization started from the 20th century, but these are 19th century. So, correct answer will be globalization. Question number 144 is asking the book Sociological Imagination was written by Peter Berger, C.W. Mills, A. Collins, G.S. Mill. So our answer will be C.W. Mills. Question number 145 is asking the concept of positivism was coined by which one of the following? This is also a very easy question. It is related to Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte said that we should apply natural science method to study of society. That is why he called positive. We should apply positivism, and positivism is not related to positivity. He gave three stages of law like theological, metaphysical, and positivism. Question number 146 is asking the meaning of Gesellschaft is society, association, group, community, institution. So correct answer will be society or association. So we know that Ferdinand Tönnies gave concept of Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. Gemeinschaft are considered like community in which people are more connected and live in people living in villages are said in community, and Gesellschaft is denote to association which are voluntarily and which are created. Question number 147 is asking who said society is the web of social relationship? Green, Giddens, Merton, McIver, and Page. This is the very famous statement which is often asked in every examination of sociology. So correct answer will be McIver and Page. Question number 148 is asking who has proposed the law of three stages of development of knowledge? Durkheim, Auguste Comte, Marx, Parsons. As we earlier said, is answer of this question will be Auguste Comte. Durkheim divides society into mechanical solidarity and organical solidarity. Mechanical solidarity are like previous generation people in which people are like homogeneous, while organic solidarity is found in modern society. So Marx is the very famous in sociology, and he gives many concepts like alienation, class consciousness, and fetishism of commodity. Although Marx was not sociologist, but his study is considered sociological. So answer of this question is Auguste Comte. He gave the three stages of development of knowledge. theological, metaphysical, and positivism. Who described the Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft are two types of society. Like we also solve a similar question like this. So these two concept are types of society is given by Ferdinand Tönnies. Durkheim gives mechanical and organic solidarity. Karl Marx talked about proletariat and bourgeoisie. Karl Marx also gave the concept of mode of protection like primitive, then feudal, then capitalism, then socialism. The meaning of Gemeinschaft is association, group, society, community. So answer of this question will be community. Thus, we have completed one paper of Rajasthan Public Service Commission paper of sociology held in 2018. I also have doubt in some question. I will clarify in next video. So keep watching and thank you for watching this video.